The weights of bags of raisins are normally distributed with a mean of 175 grams and a standard deviation of 10 grams. Bags in the upper 5.5% are too heavy and must be repackaged. Also, bags in the lower 6% do not meet the minimum weight requirements and must be repackaged. What are the ranges of weights for raisin bags that need to be repackaged? So the picture would look like this. So the lower 6% is the 0.06 on the left, and the upper 5.5% is the 0.055 on the right. So let's find the left value first. We want to do inverse norm of 0.06 and then specify the mean and standard deviation. We get 159.45226. So I'm going to round that to 159. Now let's get the value on the right. We are going to type inverse norm of 1 minus 0.055 and then specify the mean and standard deviation. And that's equal to 190.9819. So 191. So the range of weights that need to be repackaged are less than 159 grams and more than 191 grams.